Here we have our carbon fiber novelty helmets. These helmets are novelty helmets and are not DOT approved. All novelty helmets are fully lined for a comfortable fit and are equipped with a Y-strap and quick release buckle. We carry sizes extra small through double extra large. Our carbon fiber helmets feature the best weave on today's market. We have the tightest and strongest weave. Unlike the most plain twill weave carbon fiber designs, our carbon fiber was originally designed for the aerospace industry and gives you up to 50% more per ounce. In addition, you can choose between 3 variations. You see here the Eagle Novelty helmet with carbon fiber weaving. We also carry the Deluxe Eagle in carbon fiber featuring a ventilation system and snaps to attach a visor. Visor sold separately. And last but not least, we carry the Hawk Novelty helmet in carbon fiber, a classic, distinct style. Don't forget to read the description below for a coupon code to save you money on your next purchase with Helmets R Us. In addition, when ordering from Helmets R Us, every carbon fiber helmet comes with a free quick release buckle. So visit us now at www.helmetsrus.com. Have a safe ride. Here we have our carbon fiber novelty helmets. These helmets are novelty helmets and are